Hi guys, again welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do this race by my own self. I just make it. Okay, this is my friend Digimon. So now let's go. Okay. Boost. Oh, I didn't get the boost. Okay, now let's go. Let's use a winner. You just use a wrap to go more. Okay, it's taking me a long time to make it. So now let's go. Here. Oh my god, no! No, 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 no. Oh no, I was stuck. I've been stuck. Sorry, man. I have to go, I have to go, I have to go. Okay, faster, faster. Come on. Yes. Where's the boost? Where's the boost? Okay, here's the boost. Hell yeah. Okay, that was too close to myself by this container. I just put it right up there. Why are you still just standing right up there? Okay, let me just put a bomb right over here. The wraps. I think he wants to kill me or something. Did he go? Oh my god, he just standing right. Oh no. Oof, I hate these wraps. Okay, you're not gonna kill me, man. Okay, faster. Oh no, you just made it! Shit. Okay, I will just give him a second. Guys, do you know what that means? You know I just have an RPG. Yeah. Ah! Wait, what? Dang it. Yeah. What you doing? Come on. I'm gonna finish. I just only have one more lap.